The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall! Wow, my people, Dancehall skilla there again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now I got some information about a situation where it is said that armed men attempted to rob a People's Cooperative Credit Union branch that is located in St. James, Jamaica on the 10th of June, the year 2022. See? Now, I got information that those gunmen were not able to get any money from the bank because of some things or something that a man had done. See? Alright, now, according to information that I got, it is said that on the 10th of June, the year 2022, armed men attempted to rob a People's Cooperative Credit Union branch that is located in St. James, Jamaica. It is said that at least one of those gunmen overpowered a security guard that was at the branch, viewers and subscribers. And it is said that while those gunmen were trying to rob the People's Cooperative Credit Union branch, a man who was outside of the building and a certain distance away from the building held on to an object and pointed the object in the direction of the building where those gunmen were at. And while those gunmen were trying to rob the People's Cooperative Credit Union branch, a man who was outside of the building and a certain distance away from the building pointed an object in the direction of the building where those gunmen were at. It is said that a gunman who was at the location saw the man with the object and fled the scene. It is said that at least two of those gunmen fired shots at the man who was holding on to the object with the intention to hit the man while fleeing the scene. Now, allegedly, it is said that the man who was holding on to the object is believed to be of unsound mind. And allegedly, it is said that the object that the man was holding on to is said to be a fire extinguisher hose. Let me repeat. Allegedly, it is said that the man who was holding on to the object is believed to be of unsound mind. And allegedly, it is said that the object that the man was holding on to is said to be a fire extinguisher hose. Allegedly, it is said that the man pointed the object and made sounds with his mouth. Allegedly, viewers and subscribers, and in my point of view, those sounds that the man made might be bap 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 pow pow or brap brap. That's according to information that I got. You see? Notice I said allegedly, viewers and subscribers. See? So some of these information are not confirmed information. You understand? See? Now, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the news article said that a deputy superintendent of police in charge of crime for the St. James Police Division said that investigators are following several leads in the case. See? The news article also said that in one video, which runs for 2 minutes, more or less, and depicts the front entrance of the credit union, the men are seen pulling up at the side of the building in a white motor car. Now, viewers and subscribers, I got the understanding that there are videos circulating on social media that shows some things that happened on that day and during the attempted robbery of viewers and subscribers. You see? And I also got the understanding that there might be some wrong information that have been put out there on social media about the situation. You hear me, viewers and subscribers? And some comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons on social media found the situation to be funny as well. You see? Some of the information that I got about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers, in my point of view, corresponds with some things that I saw in at least 2 videos about the whole situation, viewers and subscribers. You understand? Now, another part of the news article said that another video shot inside of the credit union building and lasting for more than 40 seconds shows the robbers in the lobby banging on the teller windows with their firearms. See, another part of the news article said that, but shortly after, the alleged robbers fled the scene after a man appeared pointing an item in their direction. See, it is said that the police from within the country of Jamaica interviewed persons who was working on that day at the credit union branch when the whole situation happened, when the incident happened during subscribers. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and I also got information that the police within the country of Jamaica said that we can say that as to the individual who was seen brandishing an item or the object, viewers and subscribers, he had in his hand the hose of a fire extinguisher. So it seems as if those robbers never recognized that the item was not a firearm, viewers and subscribers, and that caused for those robbers to abort their mission. You understand me? I tell the people. Yeah. So basically, is that robbers mistaken a fire hose for a gun. Now, I don't have any confirmed information as to how many gunmen was involved in the attempted robbery, viewers and subscribers, but there are videos circulating on social media that shows a certain amount of armed men who was involved in the attempted robbery. See? Another part of the news article said that the police also confirmed that while robbers did not get any money from the credit union, the security guard was robbed of her Apple iPhone Pro Max. You see me as a viewers and subscribers, is it? Yeah, so in my point of view, that seems to be a security guard that was overpowered by at least one of those armed men, viewers and subscribers. See me? That's according to information that I got. Yeah. So, viewers and subscribers, me just give you information according to I got those information. On a real, me like to know what to think about a situation like this, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, man. I would like to know what to think about a situation like this. Alright? Well, anyways, big up and respect to each and everyone. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. You don't know Dancehall Skilla will give you only accurate information.
Hey man, you know where I want.
And if you know, if the information is not confirmed, I'll let you know also a some mistake. You understand? Alright, so until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. I'm big up on yourself. See?